Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the news today we have something interesting. It's the global PC shipments. So this is interesting because it follows, the trend of PC sales and how they are actually going. So in 2020, height of the pandemic, PC sales grew immensely because people started working from home and suddenly understood that they needed to have something to connect that is better than whatever they were using at home. And actually that, including all the supply problems, including all the chips shortage, meant that it was kind of difficult. And of course, the PCs still grew pretty much and skyrocketed the sales last year. We were expecting this year to be kind of down, although it is down, meaning that the PC shipments for third quarter of 2021 is going to be a 5% growth. It's still better than what a lot of people expected. But they explain in their own analysis that part of this is because a lot of PCs that were actually purchased still haven't shipped. And so a lot of the shipments are delayed, once again, due to all the problems with the logistics of, the PC shipments, sending them out, and also, of course, building them. But at 5% growth, it's still a pretty nice growth of the PC market right now. And so who are the biggest makers of PC in the world right now? Well, overall, the PC makers sold 84 million units in the third quarter. So 84 million units. That's quite a lot. And this is levels that have not, that's what they say here in the global PC market, is that these are levels that were seen in 2012 when we were at the height of the PC sales. Pretty incredible when you think about it. Of these 84 million units, the biggest makers of PCs were and are Lenovo is at number one, the biggest PC maker of the world. It actually sold 19.7 million units, and that's a 2.5% growth year over year. And HP is in second place at 17.6 million. That is a decline of 5.7%, so HP is kind of down. Dell, 15.2 million. Apple sold 7.8 million Macs, and Acer, 6 million. So these are the top 5 PC makers basically in the world: Lenovo, HP, Dell, Apple, and Acer. So this is kind of an interesting number, and it seems like the PC sales are still there. But like they said, a lot of this has to do with PCs that have not shipped yet. And they say that they expect that the Christmas or the holiday season might see a pretty big gain, because a lot of those PCs that people have been waiting on for such a long time, and organizations too, are going to be shipping later this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.